Hey guys, welcome back to our channel of restoring our Project Cayman S. If it's the first time you're joining us, I'm Sheldon from Exotic Mods. Okay, today, since we already started up the car in the previous episode, we're going to give the engine now a quick wash from top to bottom, and then before we close the covers up, we're going to give the car its first modification in 8 years, which is actually the BMC Air Filter from Italy, to give it a better response and acceleration as well as more power to the car. Alright guys, without further ado, let's proceed with cleaning up the car engine. Okay guys, as you can see here, this is how bad it is. There's some rust all over the place, and yeah, even the case, the transmission case, is also very dirty. The arms, exhaust, piping is all dirty, and the screws, the bolts are all rusted up. You can see here. Yeah, I guess you need some cleaning over here, and that's exactly what we're gonna do now. Hey guys, I've got my protective gears on, so we're gonna start cleaning everything down. Hopefully we can get it to as clean as possible. Hey guys, as you can see, I've cleaned the bar right now, so it's a lot cleaner, but I'm still gonna use some chemicals to actually clean it down further. So now we're gonna spray some degreaser and rust remover and leave them for a few minutes before brushing them off. Once the stains have been dissolved, I'll just brush them off and hose them off with air. Okay, the cleaning of the engine is now done, and it looks so clean I can even have my meal on it. Even all the pulleys, as you can see here, are shining and sparkling clean right now. The end result of my hard work turned out to be really satisfying. Alright, since now the engine has been cleaned from top to bottom, it's time to give this baby its first mod in 8 years, which is the infamous BMC Performance Air Filter from Italy. Installation of this air filter only takes a few minutes, and immediately after that, the car will be totally transformed. As you can see, it's such a quick and easy job. Almost anyone can do this at home. Right, that's all for today's episode guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and give us a like for our videos, and to follow our progress on the restoration of the car. So since the next episode would be to push the car in to the paint booth to give it a new paint coat, why don't you comment down below and suggest us what color should we change this car to, or keep it the speed yellow. Thank you guys.